What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Carventure Reg, and welcome back to another video. And as you can see in today's video, we are in the Lexus Ls400. We're about to be doing the first drive in this car, so let's go ahead and let's get into it. Let's go ahead and start it up. V8. And mind you, this is the first V8 I ever owned, so I'm new to this life. So let's go ahead and get into it, man. Let's go ahead and get up out of here. So as you can see, we're gonna need new lights in the tail lamp. Saying we need new brakes. We need tires. We need a whole bunch of stuff. But we on our way to the dealership right now. I just wanted to make this video for you guys so, you know, we could experience this stuff together. But let me say this first, man. This car drives so smooth, man. This probably one of the smoothest cars I ever owned, and I can only imagine when I get some nice good tires on this car how better it will drive. But this car is so smooth, and it's real torquey too. Like if you let on the gas a little bit, it's ready to go. Like this car is not, like, don't get me wrong, like it's not the fastest car, of course, but you know, it got some power to it. It is a V8. It got some power to it. It is a V8, but man, this thing is so smooth. And it's at 200,000 miles right now. And I know it has the check engine light on. The reason why, the code for that check engine light is P0446, which is an EVAP code. It's for emissions. So we're gonna go get that solved today. It's part of the whole little maintenance thing I'm doing. But I'm gonna be announcing what I'm doing with this car, because I'm about to go ahead and spend some bread on this car right now to do the whole little maintenance. So yeah, we're about to go ahead and spend a lot of money on this car, so I'll let you guys know that in the next video, so definitely stay tuned. But I ain't gonna lie, man, this car is really smooth. I'm liking it. I'm enjoying it. I've been looking at YouTube videos for the past month. Me and my boy made this deal in May, and it's June 9th right now, and you know, I've been waiting for a whole month for me to get this car. So, you know, I've been pretty antsy and really excited. I've been looking at all the videos on YouTube and everything about this car and just researching stuff. Of course, y'all know I'm about to get slap in this car very soon. If y'all know what slap means subwoofers, whole new music setup. So y'all definitely stay tuned for that. And a lot more stuff for this car to get it to where I want it to be. Because I do plan on taking a lot of road trips in this car and everything, because this car is the most perfect car to do the long road trips on. It's so smooth. The seats are very comfortable. It's just a great car overall, man. Got a Corvette right here. I hate that it's so much traffic out, because I want to give it like at least one good little pull, but you know, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. But this car is so super duper smooth, man. I want to do alignment on the car too, because I think the alignment is just a little bit off and everything. But man, I got so much plans for this car, y'all. I got so much plans. So many things I want to do to this car. Man, I'm really liking a big body, bro. Like this car is huge, man. I feel like I'm the president or something. Crazy. This car is huge. It feels good, feels nice. The steering feels good. The suspension feels great. Oh my god. And the seats, it's real comfortable. But I think what I'm end up doing, I'm end up redoing the seats, because one thing I don't like is the rips and all that other stuff. I want to kind of make it look really clean up in here. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make it look really clean and everything. But yeah, man, this thing is so smooth, bro. So smooth. I think I might be more in love with this Lexus than my Infinities. Nah, I'm just playing. The G35 will always have a special place in my heart over any car, to be honest. So that's my dream car. But this car, man, it's just different, man. It's just different. It's just feel different. You know, it's a cruiser, and you know, I'm not really like antsy about like driving this thing, going crazy and all this other stuff. I'm not really too much on that when it comes to this car. You know, I just like to just chill, kick back and all that. and just like to cruise around. So I wish it wasn't so much traffic, man. I wish it wasn't so much traffic. This thing is a buzzkill, man. All this traffic, it's only like 12 o'clock. Got all this traffic out on the road. Shit crazy. Oh yeah, the boat gets up. The boat gets up. Now I always make I always get my cars names. I still don't know what I want to name this car. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know what I want to name this car, but we'll figure it out. The more I get to the more I drive this car and all that. Oh, you even got the auto headlights. Dang, that's crazy. It's a 2000. It's crazy. I'm really happy about this purchase. Super excited to see where this car goes in the future. But man, I'm hella juiced right now. I'm hella juiced. One thing about this car is that it's quiet. I ain't gonna lie, this car is quiet. But you know me, man. We're gonna be making some noise really, really, really soon. Making some noise really, really soon. Gotta let y'all know about this V8, man, for real, for real. But really, my first impressions of the LS400 is that it's really, really smooth. It's a cruiser for sure. It's a boat. It's really torquey. So when you step on it, you're gonna feel the power. Don't get me wrong, it's not like the fastest car, but it does get up. And yes, it's a real nice car, real comfortable. And the inside, like the seats really feel like a couch. Like I could literally sit in this car like all day. So if you're in the market of getting a Lexus LS400, I definitely say go ahead and cop one because you won't regret it. These cars are extremely reliable. As long as if you get the maintenance done, you know, that's really the key, you know, for any car. But really this car, like if you get the maintenance done, this car can last you well over 500,000-600,000 miles. So but yeah, man, if you're in the market of getting one, I definitely suggest you get one. It's definitely gonna last you a while. I believe this car is gonna last me a while because I really do take care of my cars. I don't abuse my cars. Sometimes I do occasionally get on my cars because that's what it's for. Sometimes you gotta have a little fun with it. For the most part, this car is definitely gonna last you. I know it's gonna last me. This is only the beginning with this car. I just wanted to make something quick, just a first little drive so you guys could, you know, go ahead and experience the car with me and all that. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video off because it's a lot of traffic. I didn't expect it to be this much traffic. The next video that will be coming out is me explaining everything that I'm about to do to the car, because it should be in there for like a day, maybe 2 days. I'm not too sure, but it should be in there for some time. So the next video, you guys will know everything that's gonna go on with this car. Definitely stay tuned on to the next video. And I'm really trying to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. You guys can help out by simply subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet and liking the video. Just trying to get more engagement. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, go ahead and leave me a like right now. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, all of that. Man, we're on the Lexus LS400 content. It's about to get crazy this summer. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.